Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you top 10 must-have applications for your iPhone 6. All of these applications are really good and will replace some of your stock application and some will add new features to your phone. The download link and the timestamp of all of these applications are below in the description box. The first application on the list is SwiftKey. iOS 8 has allowed users to add third-party keyboards just like in Android. The best keyboard for Android have made its way to iOS as well. SwiftKey is the most popular alternative keyboard for Android. The one feature you are going to love is SwiftKey Flow, where you can slide your fingers over letters to type any word. It's very simple and very accurate as well. It gets it right almost every time. Another great feature is that this keyboard suggests words while typing. It gives 3 options above the keys. If one is right, you can tap on it to move on the next word. This keyboard also learns from your typing style and the phrases you use, so that the suggestions get better over time. This feature is also available on the default iOS keyboard, but SwiftKey has this feature from a long time and is supposed to perform better. This keyboard also supports multiple languages. There are lots of languages that you can choose from. Then there's SwiftKey Cloud. With this, you can sync your data over devices so that you can have accurate predictions right away. This keyboard comes with 2 themes for now, with more being added in future. The next app on the list is 1Password. 1Password is an application that stores login information of all your accounts and keeps it safe. All you need to remember to access all other passwords is the master password. This application has been updated to take advantage of your Touch ID and new iOS 8 features. Adding a login information is very easy. Go to the application and add one for website or add information about credit cards and much more. Now you can use Touch ID to log in into sites and applications. It works just like unlocking the iPhone. Then this application takes advantage of extension feature. So to log in, you can simply tap 1Password extension and log in within the application after verifying it with Touch ID. For new accounts, you can create a password within the application so that it's very hard to be hacked or guessed by others. You can even use this application on your desktop as a Chrome extension, on your Android or iOS smartphone or iPad. So that's all about this application. The next application on the list is Yahoo Weather. This weather application has a simple yet beautiful design. This application makes it simple to get forecast for the location or anywhere else. It uses built-in GPS to determine your location. The design and effects of this application is very good. Its location weather is displayed over a photo of that area. Swiping below will reveal extra information like hourly or daily forecast, humidity, visibility, precipitation, wind pressure, and the position of sun. This application also takes advantage of iOS widgets, allowing you to add a weather widget right there in notification panel. Swiping right will allow you to switch between locations. Locations can be easily added or managed. So that's all about this application. This application comes with a great design and useful widget. The next app here is Sunrise Calendar. This application is meant to replace default calendar app. There are plenty of options out there, but this one has extra features and a great design to it. The best feature of this calendar is that it can take information from your Facebook, Google, Yahoo, Evernote, and other accounts and place it inside this application, so that you can integrate Facebook event, birthdays, local weather, and useful information pulled from your Google Calendar. Another feature is the ability to add holidays based on location, sports fixture, which is a great feature to have. Having everything displayed at one place is great. Here above you can have the date and below you will be able to view all the events. The UI looks very nice and it's very simple to use. So that's all about this one. It's much powerful and useful than the default option. The next application on the list is Photoshop Touch. This application has got powerful tools for image editing and transformation. Tools and capabilities of this application is same to many found on the desktop version of Photoshop. This application has steep learning curve as well. Those who know the tools in the desktop version, it's going to be easy for them. The interface is really impressive. It has been optimized for touch platform. The help option does a decent job to teach you about the different areas of this application. While editing, above here, you have got some basic tools to cut, paste, copy and much more. Then we have some tools for saturation, brightness, contrast, replacing color and many more. Then there is some options to apply some filters, add some effects like blur and much more. Then we have adjustment tools to crop image, rotate. Below you will find some tools similar to the desktop version of Photoshop, like selection tool, magic wand tool, paint and clone stamp tool. And from here you can add and manage layers. So that's all about this application. It's a very powerful editing tool with a simplified interface. The next app on the list is If This Then That. This application lets you create connection between applications with a simple statement, like getting a notification if it is going to rain tomorrow, or saving iOS photos to Dropbox, or adding a note to Evernote from Siri. Such tasks are called recipes. Creating one can easily be done within the application. First choose an app, then below you will get additional options. Like in Facebook, you are tagged in a photo. Then add another application like email to send email, or add Dropbox to save that photo to Dropbox, or Google Drive to save that photo to Google Drive. If you can't think of any recipes, you can easily browse through popular recipes created by others. I am sure you will find some that will help you. So that's all about this application. There are some very creative. The next application on the list is Feedly. This application allows you to view content from your favorite news site and transform it into a simple interface, a single place for everything. The interface is very simple here. On left side, you can view sites that you have added. From right side, you can search for sites and topic and add it. You can even add YouTube channel, subscribe to RSS feeds. There are 4 views in which the news articles can be displayed. While reading one, you can visit the website if you want to get extra information, or share it to other applications. Feedly is also available in other platforms and on the web in feedly.com. The next app on the list is Mailbox. This is the best app to replace the built-in mail application in iPhone. You might have multiple mail accounts and the best way to manage it is through Mailbox. This app uses swipe-based gestures like swipe right to archive, long swipe right to send it to trash, swipe left to snooze. It will ask you when you want that email to return, and long swipe left to add it to a list. Its action is distinguished by color, so it's easy to know what you are doing. From above here, you can view your archive messages or ones which were added to list. So that's all about this application. Its simplicity separates this application from others. The next app on the list is Pushbullet. Pushbullet is a great way to connect your phone with your computer. This application allows you to send information between computer and your phone. To connect, you need to add Pushbullet extension to your Chrome or Firefox on your PC. Then if you need to send a link, message, photo to your phone, it can be done easily from this extension. The same can be done from your phone to PC. Sharing information between devices are also possible. In Android, you can even receive the notification of your phone in your computer like text message, phone and much more. That feature is not available on iOS yet, but it will be added soon in the future. So that's all about this application. It's a super fast and a free way to send useful information between computer and your iPhone. The last app here on the list is Snapseed. This is a photo editing application for casual users, providing basic tools in a clean UI. Below, you will have the list of tools. Selecting one will provide extra option. Swiping up and down will allow you to choose between options, and right and left will allow you to change its value. So all options are hidden there while being there. Below, you will find tools to tune image, straight image, crop, change sharpness, or add some effects like black and white, vintage, or add some frames. So that's all about this application. It will serve the demands of any users requiring basic tools in a very managed and easy to use interface. So that's all about this video. If you know of any other application that you think should be included in such videos, do comment below. And do subscribe for more app and gaming videos. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time.